Welcome to this video on AI-powered digital transformation. Today, we'll explore a blueprint for navigating the complexities of integrating AI into your enterprise. We begin by addressing the AI value alignment gap, a critical disconnect where rapid technical capability often outpaces leadership, organizational trust, and operational capacity. Without a shared definition of value, AI efforts often become contested and under-resourced. Conversely, organizations that align their strategy see significant growth and superior returns. Current data suggests that many boards are essentially flying blind. While CEOs feel intense pressure to deliver AI results, boards often lack the formal oversight mechanisms required for success. Organizations face significant hurdles, including missing skills, stalled adoption, and a failure to redesign workflows. Simply adding AI to legacy processes rarely delivers the desired impact. AI often exposes existing structural fractures. When different stakeholders, from CEOs to regulators, have conflicting metrics for success, the organization faces dangerous fragmentation. There is a severe exposure gap between executive urgency and board-level oversight. Closing this systemic liability gap is essential for safe and effective AI adoption. Navigation requires understanding the AI staircase, starting with traditional predictive analytics, moving through generative AI, and eventually reaching the frontier of agentic AI. The common illusion is that value comes directly from the technology itself. In reality, value is created through human decision-making that is supported by clear, accountable AI outputs. In the digital marketplace, search-based models are giving way to conversational AI. Investing in algorithmic relevance is now critical for maintaining visibility to your customer. Enterprises typically fall into one of four adoption categories, from pragmatic adopters to internal transformers, each requiring a tailored strategic approach. Avoid common pitfalls like the pilot trap or AI theater. Addressing these symptoms individually is not enough. The core issue is structural misalignment. This brings us to our boardroom governance blueprint, a framework designed to bridge the exposure gap and command market advantage. To succeed, your governance mechanisms must be explicitly tailored to your chosen archetype, whether you are pioneering new markets or transforming core internal operations. Finally, boards must move beyond management narratives to build independent frameworks. By tethering ambition to operational reality, you can protect strategic freedom and ensure long-term success. Let's examine how capital allocation should function. To succeed, you must balance near-term efficiency enhancements with long-horizon strategic bets. The investment pyramid involves protecting high-advantage experimental bets from budget cuts, while simultaneously monitoring structural changes and enforcing strict financial discipline on near-term deployments. Moving to legal considerations, sweeping frameworks like the EU AI Act now formally codify board-level liability for AI deployment. Compliance requires a structured flow, risk-based classification, mandatory human oversight, and full transparency within your vendor ecosystem. The stakes are high. Nearly 80% of enterprises report being unprepared for these obligations, a gap that can lead to severe financial penalties and director liability. We must also address shadow AI. This practice introduces unmonitored data leakage pathways, bypassing corporate firewalls and putting sensitive information at risk. The risks are threefold: extreme data leakage, the danger of uncalibrated decisions from unvetted algorithms, and a total loss of accountability to regulators. In the marketplace, we see a shift in consumer behavior. Algorithmic relevance is replacing traditional search, which dismantles historical dependencies on online travel agencies. We are moving from a legacy search model to an ask and book paradigm, utilizing AI digital assistants to provide highly curated options to the user. This transition forces companies to optimize their data architecture, ensuring it is prepared to feed these new AI-driven recommendation engines effectively. Beyond marketing, AI-driven core rewiring is transforming operations. It fundamentally reconstructs hospitality margins and improves labor augmentation models. Consider the operational impacts. Predictive synchronization increases housekeeping speed, computer vision reduces food waste, and pricing algorithms drive revenue growth. These measurable impacts, like 20% faster cleaning or 50% less waste, demonstrate the real-world value of moving away from reactive, manual processes. By integrating these AI mechanisms, companies shift from legacy limitations to a model of continuous, data-driven improvement and efficiency. To wrap up, success depends on aligning your strategy, managing your risks, and embracing the operational changes necessary to thrive in an AI-first future. As we look ahead, organizations must move from passive observation to active orchestration of their AI ecosystem. This requires a shift in mindset and a commitment to long-term adaptation. The next phase of transformation involves building a culture that is inherently data fluent, where employees at all levels understand and utilize AI insights effectively. Beyond technology, success hinges on organizational resilience. Your ability to pivot your business model in response to rapid AI developments will define your future competitive standing. Leadership must prioritize ethical considerations and transparency. As AI decision-making becomes more autonomous, maintaining public trust is not just a moral imperative, it is a business necessity. Start by identifying high-impact areas within your operations. Focus on projects that offer clear, measurable outcomes, and use those successes to build momentum throughout your organization. Remember, the journey to AI-driven excellence is ongoing. It requires continuous learning, regular reassessment of your governance structures, and the agility to embrace new capabilities. Thank you for joining this exploration of AI-powered transformation. With the right strategy and governance, your enterprise can confidently navigate the future and unlock lasting value.